Now, your 21Alive First Alert forecast.
We're seeing a few snow flurries push through 21 country this evening. However, not really adding a whole lot in terms of the snow accumulation that we saw earlier today. Snow is very light in nature and will taper off during the overnight hours. First Alert Future Track showing by the time you're waking up and thinking about heading outdoor in the morning, 7:15, maybe one or two snow flurries left over, and you should expect mostly cloudy conditions. As we get into the afternoon, we could see a little bit of sunshine, which I mentioned earlier, and had made Amelia do a little jig there sitting at the anchor desk. Not a whole lot of sunshine to be had over the next 7 days, if I'm being honest. So if we see some tomorrow afternoon, make sure to enjoy it while you can. The cloud cover is going to roll in pretty quickly after that afternoon sunshine. Tuesday morning, I'm expecting mostly cloudy skies. So sending the kids off to the bus stop in the morning, about 7 a.m. or so, temperatures will be around 30 and getting up to around 33 in the afternoon, which is when we'll see those peaks of sunshine. Now, let's talk about the timeline for the next 3 days. We know that Monday is going to be calm. As you get to Tuesday, mostly cloudy conditions in the morning, and then a lot of the cloud cover will take over Tuesday evening. Between Tuesday night and Wednesday morning is when that weather system is going to start to approach us. We're expecting some light snow on Wednesday morning. I'm talking early Wednesday morning, but as we get into the late morning, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, that snow will really start to ramp up. And then as we get into Wednesday afternoon, we should see some steady snow showers. Now, thanks to those steady snow showers, this weather system that's moving in, we've issued a first alert weather day for Wednesday of the upcoming week. The reason being is because we believe it's highly likely that we will see widespread snow across the area above 2 inches. 2 inches is that low end threshold for first alert weather day for widespread snow across the area, and it's coming at a time that could cause some tricky travel for the evening commute and even the morning commute on Wednesday. So it's looking like a pretty impactful system. I show you this water vapor satellite imagery because it shows what we're dealing with, I think, pretty well. You can see this is that low pressure system off near the Four Corners states. That's going to impact us on Wednesday. It's going to start to swing off to the east and then slowly make its way to the northeast. However, the one big question mark that still remains is how will this system move? Because that will partly determine how much snow that we see. If it moves a little bit further to the northwest, we could see the heaviest of the snow push off to the northwest, and actually we could end up very close to that rain snow line, which would cut down on snow totals. If the system moves a little bit further to the east, we're seeing that heaviest snow axis more to the southeast. Now, these two solutions are actually reflected in our two longer range models. The American model, the GFS, shows that pink line, that rain snow line, basically right on top of Fort Wayne. So Fort Wayne places to the northwest. You see the dark blue there. That's the heaviest snow axis according to the American model. The European model shows the heaviest of the snow on top of us in places to the south. That's because it's got that system tracking a little bit further to the east as it makes its northward swing. So there are still some questions that need to be answered. However, I believe right now that Fort Wayne is going to be in an area where we could see a few inches of snow on Wednesday. And then we've also got another system that's going to bring us a few snow flurries on Friday. So your first alert extended forecast shows high temperature of 36 both Monday and Tuesday. And then after that weather system moves through on Wednesday, temperatures will drop slightly. And then you notice we've got multiple small snow chances for Friday and Sunday, but we need to keep our eye on Wednesday because right now it's got the potential to be a pretty impactful system.
So just to be clear, you do not know how much snow is coming.
Correct. Okay. So we're going to have a better picture of that over the next math here, about 18 hours or so. Okay. I anticipate Matt Leach tomorrow afternoon, or maybe even Chris at 4 p.m. tomorrow to have a snow map out. But the picture will become clear over the next 12 to 24 hours.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Caleb. Coming up in sports, find out where